Welcome to the Turbotax tutorial 2025 on deducting mortgage interest as a homeowner. You may be eligible to deduct the interest you pay on your mortgage from your taxable income, which can result in significant tax savings. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process step by step. First, it is essential to understand what mortgage interest is. Mortgage interest is the amount you pay to your lender as a percentage of your outstanding loan balance. You can typically find this information on your monthly mortgage statement or Form 1098, which your lender will send you at the end of each year. To deduct mortgage interest, you must meet certain requirements. You must be the primary borrower on the mortgage, and the mortgage must be secured by your primary residence or a second home. You can deduct interest on up to 2 homes, with a total mortgage balance of up to $1 million. Now, let's walk through the process of deducting mortgage interest using TurboTax. First, gather your Form 1098 and any other relevant documents. Then, open TurboTax and navigate to the Deductions section. Select Mortgage Interest as a deduction, and enter the amount from your Form 1098. TurboTax will guide you through the process, asking you questions about your mortgage and the interest you paid. Be sure to answer these questions accurately, as they will affect your deduction. If you have multiple mortgages or properties, you may need to complete additional forms or schedules. It is also important to note that there are limits to the amount of mortgage interest you can deduct. For example, if you are married filing jointly, you can deduct interest on up to $1 million of mortgage debt. However, if you are married filing separately, this limit is reduced to $500,000. In addition to mortgage interest, you may also be able to deduct other expenses related to your home, such as property taxes and insurance premiums. Be sure to explore these options in TurboTax to maximize your deductions. By following these steps and understanding the rules and limits, you can take advantage of the mortgage interest deduction and reduce your taxable income. Remember to keep accurate records and consult with a tax professional if you have any questions or concerns. With TurboTax, deducting mortgage interest is easy and straightforward, and can result in significant tax savings.